This style is like a put it on and go. This is so convenient. I know I'm going to be pulling out this wig all day, every day. Hey beauties, welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to be showing you this headband wig from Jessie's selection. And let me tell y'all, headband wigs are a game changer, okay? Heavy on the game changer. This is a 24-inch Brazilian water wave texture, 180 density. So right out of the box, it comes with several headbands for you to choose. So you can kind of choose which headband you want to use instead of the one that automatically comes with the wig itself. It also comes with a wig cap and a pair of cute lashes. Here's a thank you card with the maintenance instructions on the back so you guys know how to take care of the hair. So here's the hair right out of the box. It is very shiny, super soft, no tangling, no shedding, just how I like all my wigs to be. So basically the headband part of the wig comes with a Velcro at the end so you guys can tie it back very easily and effortlessly. So I'm going to do something a little bit different and add some color to this wig. So I want it to have red streaks or burgundy streaks, as you can say. So I'm using the L'Oreal High Color Highlights in the color Magenta along with some developer, and I'm going to mix that together. I've used this color on a red wig that I own and I loved it so much. I was like, why not just add this onto a wig that I know I'm going to wear all the time anyways, because I love the color. So basically what I'm going to do is randomly pick strands throughout the wig and apply the hair dye to it. This hair dye is super convenient because literally all you need is the product itself and developer, and it kind of bleaches and dyes the hair all in one step. So all I have to do is apply it to the strands and it's going to take the color. So if you have not tried this brand before, highly recommend. Just to let you guys know why I love this wig so much, it's super beginner friendly. If you're not used to wearing wigs like that, or if you're getting into it, it's super beginner friendly because you don't have to deal with any lace or any glue or anything like that. You can just leave your perimeter out and it'll look very natural. Because it has no lace, it's also relatively cheaper than lace wigs. It's also very versatile because you can wear this wig up in a bun, and the headband on the back is gonna cover like the tracks, or like I guess what you would call the kitchen back there. This is literally gonna just be my lazy girl wig. Just pop on and go. So I maybe left this hair dye in for 1.5 to 2 hours at most, and then I rinsed it out with lukewarm water and it came out beautifully. I'm going to quickly style the hair and just dampen it, put some mousse in it, and brush through the hair so the curls can be so nice and defined and bouncy. Hey y'all, so real quick, I put my hair in a little bun and I put my wig cap on and I slicked back my edges. As you can see, here's the wig, so I'll show you guys how it came out. So here is how it looks. It's like streaks of red. And I am feeling it. I tried to keep like the roots a little darker because obviously my hair is dark. But yeah, here's how it's looking. Look at the curls. Super nice. Yeah, so basically I'm gonna try to place this to where the headband isn't too long and isn't covering my edges. So basically what I'm doing is there's a comb right here. I'm sticking this comb right there. Okay. Y'all, nobody can tell me this does not look fire. Like, this looks so good and I am super happy. Look at that. Obviously you guys can wear it like this, little 360. super cute. This style is like a put it on and go. This is so convenient, and I know I'm gonna be pulling out this wig all day, every day. It looks so freaking good. Love, 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 love. I kind of want to just test out the different headbands to see how they look. So that's the first one. Here's the second one. Very cute. This is super cute. Here for it. And this is the fourth headband. This is super fire. So just a quick review on this hair so far. It's super soft. It took the color very, very well, as you all can see. I got exactly what I wanted out of this. One thing I would say is, if you're gonna have your perimeter out, try to get it as flat as possible. And if you need to put gel on your baby hairs like I did to get them to stay put and be still, then I would do that, because you want to try to get your natural hair to match as best as possible to this hair, because obviously this isn't my hair texture. I'm like a 4C. I'm pretty sure I'm 4C. So laying it down as best as I can with, I use the Got2b gel to keep my hair down, and it looks amazing. So good. Obviously I would wear it down like this, or have it up in like a cute style like this, or have it in like a messy bun like this. Super cute and super versatile. You can use my coupon code Takesha12 for 12% off of your order. I'm probably gonna just continue to wear it like this, big and curly and poofy. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Let me know if you guys would be willing to invest in a headband wig, because I feel like it is worth it. You don't have to deal with any of the lace and like people seeing your lace and your lace lifting and your side tabs lifting, and like the crustiness and the weird baby hairs of the frontal and stuff. This is like the least effort, you know what I mean? You don't even have to have your own baby hairs or your own edges out. You can literally just push it down and have it covered. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what else you guys want to see on my channel. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope all y'all have a beautiful and blessed day, evening, night, you know. Adios.